your favorite YouTuber of all, Remy Spitzer, and we are gonna be doing how to make a monofin. Monofins are pretty expensive. I don't know how much they cost in the US, but in South Africa, a minimum from 300 Rand to about 779 Rand. That is pretty expensive for a monofin. So I said I'm not gonna make that. I'm not gonna buy that. I'm just gonna make me one. It's so easy to make this monofin that I got right here. Can you see it? It's so easy to make this. It's floppy because my one. You see this thing here? This hole opened the duct tape, so the water seeped in. But it did work. But when this thing came open in the water seeped through. Then it actually damaged my monofin. But stuff you need is a big calendar like this, soft cardboard, and some red duct tape. Now, as you can see, I made my monofin with some a calendar and duct tape. Now, what you're gonna do? See how fluffy it is because of the water seep through, but it did seep through. That's why. But it did work the first time. It's just that hold it open. Stupid hole. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna cut out your monofin shape. You can make it like anything. You can make it like this, you can make it like that, or you can make it like that, or like that. So, first you're gonna do is cut out the shape, and second you're gonna do is cover the whole monofin. And the third step you're gonna do, can you see this is actually duct tape, not straps or anything. You take your duct tape, and then you cut a piece like that, and take another piece. Take that piece, put it on that piece, then it's not so sticky. You see? Because it's not so sticky. There's no tape showing to stick your feet there. Get it? So it will be very easy. And this is swimmable if you just cover it with no holes and you don't let it seep through anything, then it will be swimmable. I promise you guys, I'm not lying. And the best part of this monofin is that it's cheap. It is swimmable. Yeah. So I hope you liked the video. And comment down below. And the best thing is subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. And so you don't miss a thing what I upload. Here's the monofin, the whole monofin design. Can you see the cardboard here? Stuff cardboard.